Good morning and welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's another beautiful day here in Washington State. It's windy again, but I think we're gonna try to brave it and go do some fishing. Possibly. Mike is out in the shop right now. We'll go catch up with him here in a second. Last night was good. Just hung out and watched some movies, and yeah, pretty uneventful. Slept pretty good on the couch there, and yeah. Tomorrow I am leaving to go back home. I think I'm going to take off out of here pretty early just to get a head start on the day and make my way back to the other side of the mountains. So once I get back, the fishing videos are going to take off because it's that time of year. So I'm going to be living out in Mason County, essentially, just going out there all the time. All right, let's go catch up with Mike, see what he's up to. Alright guys, we are headed out. Gonna go get that flat repaired and hopefully catch some jets. That would be awesome. Make sure I got everything. Wallet, phone, keys, knives, plural. Alright, let's go. Hey all, welcome back. We are currently at Walmart getting a flat fixed. The flat that we got in the van a couple days ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link up here. It was a little bit of a disaster, but everything worked out alright. Got some planes in town today. I saw two growlers fly the brake earlier, probably like an hour ago. Haven't heard them since, so I assume they're getting fuel. Just saw a C5 Galaxy fly over. I'll put that clip in right now. Been a while since I've seen one of those big old birds. Hopefully it'll stay in town and do some touch and goes and stuff. Also saw a Pete Poseidon that flew in. So yeah, hopefully this shouldn't take too long and then we can get on to the next thing. Plane spotting spot. Sorry for the wind noise, that's why I'm kind of yelling. I'm currently watching a C5 Galaxy on final. Little adjustments here and there. Hell, that one was louder than the C5, I think. Okie dokie, we got the tire fixed. We're back at Mike's. Gonna get the tire thrown back on the van. Head out, run a couple little errands. Little update on the day, guys. We did some plane spotting, somewhat successful. And now we're back at Mike's. We're gonna take off here in about 30 minutes.
Yeah, about.
About 30 minutes. Mike's over there stropping a knife.
You strop for money? I would.
His gorgeous CRKT Avant.
Gotta clean up the edge, make it just as pretty as the rest of the knife. The rest of it's all shiny and I don't know. I feel like the edge has to be mirrored.
Fair enough. Alright, y'all, all loaded up. Gotta make a couple pit stops, and then I think we're going fishing out behind the Walmart here. It's a pretty popular spot, so probably gonna be a lot of people, which is not my jam, but it's gotta step out of my comfort zone, I guess. Alright, we made it to the spot. It's kind of weird. You park right on the side of the highway. You got these train tracks, and you walk in. People parked up there, people parked down there. They gotta be catching something. Alright, little update on life. We are out here fishing. Northeast corner of Moses Lake, where the water source comes in. Seen some carp tailing. Actually saw one carp tailing. Other than that, haven't had any kind of action. There was a couple people down here when we first showed up, but they since left. So, I don't know. I tried throwing a spinnerbait. I tried throwing a chatterbait. I tried throwing a swim bait. Now I'm throwing a deep diving crankbait. I don't know. Just hoping to link up to something. Alright, well, I'll check in if we get anything or when we're taking off out of here. Alright, later. In case you didn't hear anything in the last clip, which I have a feeling that may be the case, a little windy out there, we are headed back to Mike's for a while, eat something, and then later on head out and try to do some spillway fishing.
Yeah?
Yeah. Something I've never done before, so looking forward to it. Ooh, 370. Alright, we'll see you back there. Alright guys, we are headed out. We're gonna go scope out a place called Billy Clap Lake. Very well-known lake here on this side of the mountain, so I feel comfortable saying the name of it. It's quite a large lake, not too much shore fishing access, but just enough that we might be able to catch something. Read some really good information on it on the WDFW website and a couple other independent websites. So the plan is we're going to head up there this evening, try to find some spillways to fish, scout out where we're going to go tomorrow, which is Billy Clap Lake and Banks Lake. So Mike's got tomorrow off. Since he has tomorrow off, I am going to stay around here all day tomorrow and then leave the following morning. It just makes more sense. Spend more time with Mike, and I don't have to drive home all tired and late at night. So it just makes more sense. It's just safer to do. So there's Mike now with the bread. Hopefully we run into some carp. And see you on the road. It's going to be a pretty drive. Hey all, we are out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Wheat fields, scrub grass, sunset, Mike peeing. So Google Maps took us the wrong way to Billy Clap Lake. We're out in the middle of BFE right now.
Thanks, Google.
Thanks, Google. You f***ed us again. So we're gonna backtrack and make our way there. I will update you guys when we get there. Hey guys, so we are back at Mike's, just hanging out. I am finishing up this day's edit, so I wanted to come on here and say good night. Thanks for the continued support in the channel. We are going to be getting out tomorrow early, heading up northwest, northwest or northeast, one of the two. We're going to go check out Banks Lake and Billy Clap Lake. So, see you in the morning. Thanks for staying tuned, guys. Really appreciate it. Night.